Sorry about that.
Respond to a 1081 in Central Authority. Suspect left on foot.
Carl, what's up? It's your brother.
Hey, what's up, man? You okay?
Not really. I'm stuck in a cell between two lunatics. And people keep trying to jump me. This shit ain't cool, partner. You looking after Kendall?
Nah, she looking after me.
Right. That's cool.
I'ma get you out of there, though, man.
No, you ain't, nigga. Who you think you are? I'm in for life. I guess I've grown used to it now.
No, you not, man. I'm working shit out. Whatever it take.
That's a negative. I'm through hoping. Have a nice life, brother.
Hold on, man. I'm getting shit worked out for you. Just hang in there. Sweet. Shit.
Darling, please. You want a lady to go with those muscles? You scared of women? I told them, darling, I've got what you need.
Hello?
Hey, Carl, my boy.
Mr. Leone.
Everybody's talking about the job you did on that St. Mark's Bistro.
Thank you, Mr. Leone.
And you took care of those 3 loose ends?
Yeah, those poor saps ran into a little trouble along the way. You won't be hearing from Mr. Rosenberg again.
Good boy. Now listen, you're gonna have to keep a low profile or people will start to make connections. So let's keep our distance for a while, huh? I'll call you.
Thank you, Mr. Leone.
I'm kicking you in your cuervo.
Use the warm and womanly. You're ugly and you're deaf. That's some good stuff, what you
Hello?
got.
Hey CJ, what's up with you? Are we doing this heist or have you gone soft on me again?
Hey, check it. Them fools been shipped out of the Venturas. Salvatore think I'm cool, so it's on. I'll meet you back at the Dragons.
Okay, cool.
That's
Later.
some good stuff, what you got.
Guys in uniform or something?
Hey,
Hello. Please keep your distance.
I'm
Where'd you
sick
get
of
that
San
stuff at,
Fierro.
man?
Yuckier than a public health clinic.
Dude,
Have you ever
be
been in a
careful.
threesome?
Not a chance.
See ya, buddy.
Keep your undies loose
That's some
and
good
comfy.
stuff, what you got.
thug, Holmes?
Watch those germs.
You going to ignore me now, Evan?
Two low down niggas
Where'd you
going
get that stuff
crazy.
at, man? People think I'm trouble, and they're right.
Hey, Holmes.
¿Qué pues?
My Rambla's in a car show.
Sí, no, es una mierda.
Ever try to fit the tequila straight?
Tienes razón. Goddamn pistol.
Catalina, is that you again?